Alright, here's the current situation. I got the welder out. I don't know. Whoever was in here last fucking pulled this bolt's in there. It's sideways. So I put a nut on there. I'm gonna try to weld it on and see if I can get it out. Been cursed. Light something on fire. Yep, it's on fire. This may or may not work. Oh, yep, we're on fire. On fire again. How the fuck did I lose the water? Jesus Christ. I don't know if it's gonna work. Whatever. Alright, I don't know if it's gonna work or not. Look at this, Gerald. That's how you get a bolt out. This is how you freaking do it. Get some skills. Learn how to do shit. I'm not bragging, but hey, don't hack shit together. I'm happy this came out though. I'm so happy. This could have ruined my life. At least for today.